To make customers usable in FieldMaster Pro, click the Customer Import button on the main menu. Customers that have been added in QuickBooks and have been imported to FieldMaster Pro must be made usable. Begin by clicking the drop-down arrow on the left and selecting if the imported listing is a customer, site, or neither. In QuickBooks, multiple levels of customers can be created. In FieldMaster Pro, only 2 levels of customers are used, the customer and the site. Generally, a customer in QuickBooks is a customer in FieldMaster Pro. However, a job in QuickBooks may or may not be a site in FieldMaster Pro. If a job is a place where work is being done, then it is generally a site. For example, ABS Custom Draperies is the customer. If they had 10 different stores, each store is shown in QuickBooks as a job under ABS Custom Draperies, each store would then be a site in FieldMaster Pro. Miscellaneous entries for vendors, work orders, or work done at each job would be considered neither. Watch as each listing is marked appropriately. Notice that customer sites generally show the customer entry followed by a colon sign and the site information. An example is shown here. Also notice that a compressor change at Mary Martinson's, showing 2 colons and 2 sets of information, would be considered neither in FieldMaster Pro. When finished with the page, click the Save button. When finished marking all records, click the Process Records button. All process records will now be accessible in the customer list. Be sure to check the unattached site list for misassigned records and reload them as appropriate. Items marked as neither can be found in the neither list. To reload either type of record, simply click the Reload button. Once Financial Client is run, the record will be returned to the customer import and can be reassigned. Now that the customer records are usable in FieldMaster Pro, they'll appear in the customer list. Modifications to the information can be made by clicking the Modify button. As FieldMaster Pro attaches work only to sites and not to customers, each customer must have a site. To create a new site, click the New button. If all information found in the customer record also applies to the site record, click the Add Default Site button.